Hello, sorry for all the extra tabs I have up here. I'm doing a lot of different things currently, but right now I'm going to show you um, building a new project in Asana using a template. And just in a slightly different way. So we're going to be creating a new project in the content creation team. So we'll click on that plus to create a project from it and use a template. And now this template that I'm going to be using is, I can scroll down here, to work hello. We want a work hello template. Then I will just click use template. If I wanted to edit anything, I could click edit before, but I can also edit the project after, and all those edits will be applied to this project. If you edit the template, the whole template will be edited, and all future projects from that one will, of course, change as well. So we'll call this work hello, and we'll give it the name of our client here, Amy's Eden, and it's in the content creation team and public to the team. So we will create that project there. And now that we have the project here, it'll start populating all the tasks, and it's gonna take a moment for everything to be populated in here. But once it's all populated, we can start assigning the tasks to the responsible parties and getting it done. So this one is mine, so I will go ahead and put my name and assign myself to that task, and I'll go through assigning all of the tasks and editing them as I need to. Need to create job ad for the job boards, find boards, and create an interview outline. Yeah, no, I'll need all those. So yeah, I'll go ahead and just add all those in. Just a short video of how to create a project from an Asana template.